What's up guys, 2000 Trains here, and today we're at Hadley Wood, the last station in London below the M25 on the East Coast Main Line, where you'll be seeing the same services we've seen at New Southgate, LNER, Thameslink, Great Northern, and if we're lucky, a few of whole trains and Grand Central. And my first impression of the station, absolutely amazing. The scenery right here is absolutely peaceful. You can hear the birds chirping away. Don't know where they're chirping though. But the surroundings is just absolutely beautiful. It's just amazing. And the station layout is also quirky as well, because since this line follows a 2 down 2 fast approach, there's this odd mill platform which I don't get, but you know, I think it's just there for emergencies, in case if there's any disruption ahead on that line, anyone can evacuate onto those upper platforms there. So I think that's the point of that platform being kept. And it's in quite good condition. I was expecting it to be, I was expecting Mother Nature to take more of the credit, because not many people use that platform, but it's in good condition, so let's just ignore that part. I'm just going to view the camera all over, just so you can let all the beautiful scenery sink in. Beautiful. Absolutely peaceful and calm and bliss. So, without further ado, let the train spotting commence. Okay, our first train of the day through this station is a Great Northern Angel. This is 387-101 and 387-102, and we have a Great Northern service coming in for Moorgate. We'll just see it shortly, so we just have to wait for it to emerge out of the tunnel. That tunnel is named Hadley Wood Tunnel North, and you have Hadley Tunnel South. And we have 717010, and I forgot about the nickname, so let me just do it like that from now on. So the Stormtrooper's little brother comes in. Okay, we have another Thameslink train passing through. This is 700-119. As the other service departs in the shadow of the other train that passed by. Finally, we have some variety in the mix as an LNER Zoomer hightails it through, comes out of the tunnel. Boom! 800-106. Okay, we have another train passing through. Don't know what this train is. Okay, Great Northern Angel decides to be humble by taking the slower lines. This is interesting. Most of the time you see them just storming through the fast lines here at 100 to 110 miles per hour, and oh, this train's just slowing down, it's not stopping here. And it's a short formed set, formed only of 387 129. This train will be ready to depart, and it is going. Thank you very much. I was afraid of getting a horn from the driver, but that was gentle. That was gentle. So 387126 with a very loud but gentle tone from the driver. Thank you very much. And I think I have to keep my eyes on the ball because we have another 700 coming through. Boy, I get shook from by horns. If it was a 444, I would end up going like, imagine how PewDiePie swears when he gets a jump scare in a horror game video. That's how it'd be. 700 117. Hell yeah! Another train horn. You might not have heard it, but I did hear another train horn, but at a distance. Lovely. Okay, and now we have a 387 showing what it's got. 387 127. With 387 114, and I think I heard the sparking. I think I heard the spark because I heard a bit of a crackling sound, and that might have come from the pantograph with its dynamic interaction with the overhead mast. Alright, coming into the station here is 387 023. Working a service to Moorgate. And we have 700 112. And that train's departing for Moorgate, calling at all stops with the addition of Drayton Park, Essex Road, Old Street and Moorgate. I'm pretty sure a train has already passed, so I don't know why you're saying what you're saying, woman. And we have a few dogs barking. Whatever. They're not my problem. Okay, we have a train coming out of the tunnel. This is 801 218. And that's a LNER Zuma service bound for London King's Cross from the north. One of these days, I should really trek up the East Coast main line up to places like Peterborough, York, Doncaster, just to get a feel of it, because I'm already loving the East Coast main line. The rural vibes, even the forestry you can see, well, the foliage and the forestry you can see above this tunnel here, as you can see. I don't know, there's just something mesmerizing about it when you look at it, especially if the sun is shining. Absolutely bliss. Okay, and coming in now is another 700 143. goes through the tunnel, has the last glimpse of London's greenest grass before it makes it through onto the other side. And by the other side, I mean passing the M25 through Potter's Bar Tunnel and blasting over Potter's Bar at speed before getting hugged by the countryside. As the signal goes orange. Okay, and the train coming in here is a service for Welwyn Garden City, worked by the Stormtrooper's younger brother. And I should have said Stormtroopers when the 700s were swiping past. And I think there might be another one in distance, or just another linear zoomer. This is worked by 717007, James Bond's train of the East Coast Main Line. And I think I should keep it in play because I think this is a linear zoomer that's coming through. Yep, it is. Is there another train? Oh, it's a slow one, working the service to King's Cross, 700-048, and 801 something, 801 something as well. I don't even know what their numbers are. That was an unexpected surprise, seeing the Cambridge service coming through. Oh, thank you very much, driver. And damn it, we're bogged by the Stormtrooper's little brother. As we have 387 departing for somewhere. And yeah. Flop to get the numbers there. But whatever. Doesn't matter. And our final train of the day is the Great Northern Angel, working a service to either Cambridge North, Ely, or King's Lynn. This is worked by 387123 and 387107 on the rear. So I think I've had my fill here. So yeah, I'm going to conclude the video. So thank you guys for watching this video, as we have another 717 coming in, so that will end up being the last train of the video. Unless another one shows up and another fast train shows up, that would just be balmy and chaotic. Well, they're the same words, so shut up, Chris. Shut up. So what I'm saying though is that, yep, so I'll just let this train come in. This is 717 003. And I think this is going to be the last train in the video, unless another train surprises me from the north. And another stopper service comes in. So yeah, I'm going to say thank you guys for watching this video. It's greatly appreciated. If you like what you've seen today, then please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So if I don't respond immediately, I will when I get the chance to. And keep an eye out for my new music channel that will be coming out. It's obviously been created, but since there's no content there, it won't show up on my featured channel. So keep note of that if you're watching this video. As we have 717 departing. My verdict on the station: beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's a very minimalistic design, and the station is just absolutely peaceful. Plus the fact that you're surrounded by chirping birds, Mother Nature, and that beautiful set of foliage that crowns Hadley Wood Tunnel North. It's just absolutely beautiful. This station I'm definitely coming back to, but that would be like probably next year or something, probably. But either way, this station is magnificent. I'm not gonna do magnifico in an accent, because if I do that, that would just be cringy. As we have, I'm never gonna say this is the last train for certainty, or I'm gonna say it with certainty for this one. This is certainly the last train of the day in this video. 70124. absolutely peaceful. Well, I mean the station, but that train swiped through normally. Again, this video suffers kind of the same problem, although you did get a bit more variety, but you don't get too much in the way of trains. I thought I heard noises, but there's no train coming through. What I'm saying though is that even though there was a lot of variety in this video, the waiting time in between trains can be a bit hefty. So I don't know, and since I'm on a tight schedule, I don't want to be here for too long, so I literally have to conclude the video here. Whatever. I never talk the way I should, but you get what I'm trying to say. This is what I'm literally trying to say. And okay, thanks to my waffling, we at least get to see with certainty the final train of the day. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna conclude the video here and show that other train in the after credits, or the after outro. So, until you hear from me, 2000 trains here. I shall see you guys later. Peace out guys, take care.